Hi guys, good morning. What's up and welcome you back again to my channel. So how you guys doing? How was the night? Hope you guys slept well. So this is another beautiful day in our life. This is a Monday, okay, a brand new week. So this morning we are actually going out. First of all, we're gonna register Destiny and the Peculiar in their school, because since they came they have not actually started school, so we are going to register them today hopefully. And also we'll go to my shop. Okay, most of you have not seen my shop. Okay, the other time you saw it was where we went to check for shop. I've actually gotten a shop, so we're going to see the shop. So that is where we are going, getting ready to go. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you have not. Talk to you guys later. House for rent. Ooh. So guys, these are the students, the ones that are already in the school. So we are going there. I'm almost in the school compound. So there can see. So it's like they're on the assembly ground now, safe. They're in the assembly ground. Yeah. Maybe they are done with it. Maybe they're about to do the assembly. Maybe they don't finish. I will show you guys anyway. Most of them. Alright, let's come out. They don't flood the night in there. Very good. It's inside. Listen, I know the side now. That the student. They have to know the flog safe. I don't have first office there. Yes.
1,000 school uniform 8,000 naira, sport wear 6,000 naira, class quality control assessment 2,000 naira, then broom and machine, 2 broom, 1 machine.
And they are this and they are way.
You calculate to there, give you 29,000 naira. Each person, senior, my junior 26,000. Bible, 4 in book, 5 small dictionary, 60 or 80 little size book, then 7 mathematical set. These are the things that you buy for them to bring to school.
Till 2 hours later.
This is the entrance of the shop. Go up like this. There's an upstairs actually, but not that upstairs, just one step. Yeah. Go like this, go like this, go like this. So this is just the outside. You don't really come out everything. Wow. As they open another person say I'm well, move everything. Hey guys, this is the shop. This is a ward. It has a locker actually. Nobody can even sleep here. Keep your property come out. And this is the bedroom. I need to come out here, go clean here. I never leave my like this. Yeah, this is the shop. I see the other side. Yes, so That is it. Yeah, we're just here to lock the shop, okay? We just want to lock the shop. So because she called me this morning that she has packed everything. No, I have paid the place. Yeah, I have paid for the place. I think last week or so. Last week I paid for the place. So I called her that I want to come and do some videos. So maybe she can free the place for me. So she actually freed it this week, and she called me this morning that it's already freed. So that is why I'm here to come and lock this place. As you guys have seen, when we opened this place, it's actually closed. It was not locked actually. So we are here to lock it, okay? Meanwhile, your girl has a shop, okay? So the next thing now is to look for money. Money is the next thing. And this place has ventilation. You know, when I came here, she put curtain here. See guys have seen. Curtain here. This place is actually far from my house, so but just that hobby because of the toilets. That was why we collected here. You understand? And I can do my videos. And the place is big. People that want to learn work, they can come here and learn work from me. Okay? Yeah, this I'm going to have a mini salon here. Mini, not small and major. Mini salon. Not because of other people, because I have salon people that are around me, but that's not my problem. I'm going to be having mini salon because it's actually my work. But I'll be doing the wig. The wig will be here. I'll be selling wigs here. And also I'll add selling of shoes and maybe mini clothes. So that at least people can come up. Maybe with time I'll add up creams, hair creams, body creams, perfume. Other things will be added. So that's the thing. The most important thing is that your girl, this girl has a shop. We have a shop. Yeah, so the next thing now is for us to look for money. You have to look for money and fill this place, but this place needs work. It's not that she has removed all this thing that I noticed that this place really need work. So if you love me, support me, support me, I beg. I need all the support now. Hey, it is well. Okay, guys, we'll talk later. Hi, guys. We are back. We are back. Oh, we're just coming back, guys. We are back in the house, and we have successfully, the first time we went, we could not do it because the network was so bad, so we couldn't admit any of them. So we went back. When the network came back, the network was bad because we wanted to withdraw money for their admission fee. The payment, is stress. The thing is not that, it's a government school, but it's owned by the government, so the fee is not that much. So thank God that we can afford that one. So we have done it for them. Ma, I said that paper. So we have done it for them. It's both of them. So the next thing now is for them to buy. Okay, so this is the paper. It's the paper that they give. Okay, so the admission paper. Look at it, and they have to fill in this thing. There are things that they have to pay. Yeah, we have paid most of the things. So the things that we are getting for them, I think black sock, no, black sandal, okay, and white socks. Then small Bible, hymn book. All of them is here. Small dictionary. Then 60 or 80 exercise books, so like 10, 15 mathematics set. So these are just their personal things, and they will, in fact, they have paid this office. They can start school, but just that they just need a book to go with. Though they have not given them their uniform, so I don't really know when that one will be ready. But if you have money, we'll go and cut material, and they will sew for them, so that they'll put no uniform. They don't even have much clothes safe to go school with. So that is the thing. Aside that again, and I have gone to my shop, as you guys have seen now. I've paid for the shop. The day I paid for the shop, I couldn't vlog. I don't video it. One thing with me, when I'm tired, I don't do any other thing. I just want to do that thing that take me out. I cannot even do anything. Yeah, maybe with time I'll get somebody that will be videoing me constantly. But now I seriously, so I've already paid for the place, since that shop is about 200,000 for a year. So, but the woman was collecting for 2 years, so we paid 400,000, and we paid agent fee, that is 40,000 naira. then money to collect it, everything. So that one is sorted out. The next thing now is for me to arrange that place because it's a hair business, so I need to make it very, very good for people to come in. Hair business, I know that hair business is not one naira. It's a lot of money to deal with. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this time, please, what do you think about this waka waka that waka waka today? It is well. So guys, like this video for me if you have not already, subscribe if you have not, and also drop your lovely comment. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.